Hello guys, let's discuss the functions of protein one by one. Today we will discuss the first function of protein, that is structural support. Proteins like collagen and keratin provide structure and support to cells and tissues. Now here it is most important to understand the basic difference between cell and tissues. Cell is a single unit while as tissues are group of cells. Collagen, for example, is a key component in connecting tissues like bones and cartilage. It is made up of three amino acids, that is proline, glycine and hydroxyproline. Now to understand what collagen exactly means, please see the picture given on your screen. Now here you can easily observe that collagen is nothing but like a fibers which is available in abundant quantity in skin, bones, muscles and other connecting tissues. So this is our first video on functions of protein. Let's meet in the next video to discuss the second function of protein, that is enzymatic reactions. Till then, goodbye, take care and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.